understanding, as a result of, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, as a result of. This is a commonly used expression in English, and understanding it can really help in both writing and conversation. So, let's dive in. As a result of is a phrase used to indicate causality. It means that something happens because of something else. It's a way to link an effect with its cause. For example, as a result of the heavy rain, the streets were flooded. Here, the flooding is the effect caused by the heavy rain. Let's look at how to use as a result of in sentences. It often introduces a clause explaining the effect of a prior action or situation. For example, as a result of his hard work, he passed the exam with flying colors. The game was postponed as a result of the storm. Notice how the phrase sets up a cause and effect relationship in each sentence. While as a result of is a clear way to express causality, there are other phrases that can be used similarly, such as due to, because of, and owing to. Each of these can often be used interchangeably, though their grammatical structure in a sentence might vary slightly. A common mistake learners make is confusing, as a result of, with phrases that have a similar meaning but are used differently, like consequently or therefore. These words are more often used at the beginning of a new sentence or clause, rather than to directly link two clauses. I hope this video helps clarify how and when to use as a result of. Remember, it's all about linking a cause to its effect in a clear and concise way. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using this phrase like a native speaker. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.